how to buy KEKIUS, the KEKIUS Maximus token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account. As you can see, they have enough community there, and keep following the updates about this token. Now let's go and buy this token. Just go and open this token on the screener. So if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, you may notice this lock icon. If you click on it, you will see that 99% of liquidity is locked. That's made you an investment in the safe place. Now, as you can see, another thing is that this token is under the Ethereum network. Now go here and copy the token address and go and open your Bitkit wallet. Now go to your wallet and switch the network from here to Ethereum. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address in here. And as you can see, this is our token. As you can see, it's not listed yet. Just click on it, and as you can see, not listed. Make sure to read all of this, and if you are ready to go, just click on OK. After that, click on this plus icon. Now go back to your wallet to be able to buy this token. So this is our token called KEKIUS. Click on it. Now click on swap from here. Now click switch. Now here select how the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select the USDT, make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy with a few seconds, and this is how much you will receive with that token. Just click here on buy and you will be able to buy the KEKIUS token. So this is how to buy the KEKIUS token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.